Create personalized itineraries that fit the traveler's specific needs and interests. Safety. AI can be used to help travelers stay safe while traveling. For example, AI can be used to identify potential safety hazards in a destination.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming increasingly essential for travelers in a number of ways, including travel planning. AI can be used to help travelers plan their trips more efficiently and effectively. For example, AI can be used to suggest travel destinations based on interests and budget. Find the best deals on flights, hotels, and other travel expenses. Create personalized itineraries that fit the traveler's specific needs and interests. Safety. AI can be used to help travelers stay safe while traveling. For example, AI can be used to identify potential safety hazards in a destination. Provide real-time updates on travel advisories and security risks. Connect travelers with emergency services if needed. Cost saving. AI can be used to help travelers save money on their trips. For example, AI can be used to find the best deals on flights, hotels, and other travel expenses. Optimize travel routes to save time and fuel. Negotiate better prices with travel providers. Enjoyment. AI can be used to help travelers have a more enjoyable travel experience. For example, AI can be used to provide personalized recommendations for restaurants, attractions, and activities. Translate languages in real time. Help travelers connect with locals and learn about their culture. Overall, AI is a powerful tool that can be used to make travel easier, safer, more affordable, and more enjoyable. As AI continues to develop, it is likely to play an even more important role in travel in the years to come. Here are some specific examples of how AI is being used to help travelers. Here are some examples of how AI is used to help travelers in real life. TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor uses AI to recommend travel destinations and activities to users based on their interests and past travel history. For example, if you have previously expressed interest in visiting museums, TripAdvisor might recommend a trip to Paris, which is home to the Louvre, the Musée d'Orsay, and the Centre Pompidou. Kayak. Kayak uses AI to help users find the best deals on flights, hotels, and other travel expenses. Kayak's AI system scans millions of data points every second to find the best possible deals for its users. For example, if you are looking for a flight from New York to London, Kayak's AI system might be able to find a deal that is $100 cheaper than the one you would find on a traditional travel website. Skyscanner. Skyscanner uses AI to provide personalized recommendations for restaurants, attractions, and activities. Skyscanner's AI system takes into account your interests, budget, and past travel history to make recommendations that are tailored to you. For example, if you are interested in hiking, Skyscanner might recommend a trip to Yosemite National Park, which is home to some of the most beautiful hiking trails in the world. Google Translate. Google Translate uses AI to translate languages in real time. This can be a lifesaver for travelers who are not fluent in the language of their destination. For example, if you are traveling to France and you do not speak French, you can use Google Translate to translate menus, signs, and other text into English. Crowdsourced travel guides. There are a number of crowdsourcing platforms that allow travelers to share their experiences and recommendations with others. These platforms can be a great resource for finding hidden gems and avoiding tourist traps. For example, the website The Culture Trip allows travelers to share their favorite restaurants, bars, and attractions in cities all over the world. These are just a few examples of how AI is being used to help travelers in real life. As AI continues to develop, it is likely to play an even more important role in travel in the years to come.